Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself and my team. My name is Dianita Sari.
My name is Pandu Wijaya.
My name is Irsyadatus Shofiyah.
And my name is Hauzana Saniyyah.
We're from Team 12 of Communication Science. We would like to explain our presentation about philosophy science. Definition of philosophy science. Philosophy is the basic science of philosophy, including the philosophical system of ontology, epistemology, and axiology, philosophical object, philosophical history, and philosophical methods. Philosophy is a holistic approach, which means it is learned not only from one perspective, but also in the comprehensive.
Okay, branch of philosophy science. Number 1, logic is logic processing technology that draw control from particular set of material. Sometimes, logic is defined as science-drawing collection. Number 2, methodology. Methodology is the study of methods, particularly the scientific method. It seems all valuable methods for finding knowledge have the same summary. Number 3, metaphysics. Metaphysics is a branch of philosophy about extension. Aristotle defined metaphysics as the science of extension. Even extension is the opposite of movement and the opposite of ending.
And then epistemology. According to Katzoff, epistemology is a branch of philosophy that investigates the origin, order, methods, and legality of knowledge. Number 2, biological philosophy. Biology philosophy talks about biological issues, analyzing biological understanding. Then, psychological philosophy. The question that arises in the fields of philosophy and psychology is, what is the soul? The soul is just a neural pathways or a little weight. Should we distinguish between soul, mind, and soul?
Next, anthropology. Anthropology of philosophy presents questions about humans. Sociological philosophy. Sociological philosophy is another term for social philosophy and political philosophy. Ethics, in the doing of choice, may refer to terms such as good, bad, virtue, evil, and so forth. Aesthetics, two main terms have been used in the study of philosophy, namely truth and goodness.
Religious philosophy. As for the philosopher, he will solve the problems associated with religion. And ontology of science. Ontology is one of the most ancient fields of philosophical education. Axiology. Axiology discusses the use of knowledge to find out the usefulness of philosophy. We start by saying philosophy as three things. First, philosophy as a collection of theories. Second, philosophy as a view of life. And third, philosophy as a method of problem solving.
Benefit of studying philosophy. The philosophy of science is helpful to bring observer by radical thinking. Radical thinking down the road. We experience and realize our existence. Philosophy gives habit and wisdom to look at and solve the problem of daily life.
Case study. At the end of 2020, so many adjutant names were called, not because of the promotion and their most recent features, but because of the user's data leakage. This news is, of course, so surprising considering Tokopedia already raised their startup unicorn.
For app users, this case includes examples of business ethics violations and analysis, while the software itself is also a victim because their security system has been breached. But still, it can't protect customer data. And as of now, there's still no law on internet leakage. But business ethics must be addressed by the businessmen of some of the cases that have ethics violations, not just the more focused on the benefits, but forgetting a few more important things. The rules of the code should be strictly enforced.
That's all about our presentation from Group 12. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.